Hi, I'm Marie, and welcome to Decabake PH. This channel is a place where hopeful cake makers from all over the world get to learn the art of making exquisite cakes, cookies, and confectionery the easy way. In this episode, I will show you how you can easily make unicorns. First off, the materials you will need. We need fondant in various colors as listed, edible printed eyes. I know this is not readily available for everyone, but I know you are all familiar with edible printing by now. So I will make a separate video about how you can easily make or store these printed eyes, which is very handy for this type of designs. We will also need edible gold paint, some edible adhesive, and paint brushes. So let's start. First, I made the body using white fondant. The size really depends on what you need for your cake or cupcake. This one, I use a fondant ball about an inch of diameter. I made it into a smooth ball, then put on the table to roll in between my slightly angled hands to make an almost cone shape. For the head, I use about 3/4 of the size I used earlier for the body. Again, you need to make a smooth ball and just follow my hand movement to shape the head. Just press the area for the eyes, jaws, and nose. Now you need to glue the edible printed eyes. Then you can make the legs. You can actually position this any way you want, but for this video, I just did the basic stance. For the rest of the body, just follow the steps I did in the video. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching!